Welcome back to the channel, Shiksha Samvad. Today, we're diving into a transformative initiative that's reshaping education in India, the National Credit Framework, or NCRF. Imagine a system where every bit of learning, whether it's academic, vocational, or experiential, is recognized, credited, and stored for future use. That's exactly what the NCRF promises to do, creating a flexible, learner centric system that aligns perfectly with the vision of the National Education Policy 2020. Stay tuned as we explore how the NCRF integrates learning across disciplines, empowers students with flexibility, and positions India as a global knowledge superpower. The NCRF is built on several key principles. 1. Integration and flexibility. Whether you're studying math or learning carpentry, your efforts will be recognized and credited. 2. Multiple entry and exit points. Need to pause your education? You can exit with a certificate, diploma, or degree and rejoin anytime. 3. Equivalence and mobility. Move freely between general education and vocational training without losing credits. It's a system that truly puts the learner first. The NCRF operates through a robust system of credit assignment, accumulation, and transfer. A credit represents the effort you've put into learning, measured in notional learning hours. Credits are stored digitally through the Academic Bank of Credits, ABC, a repository where your achievements are safe and accessible. These credits can be redeemed to meet eligibility criteria for further education or certifications. For example, 1,200 learning hours equals 40 credits, and your total credits are calculated based on the NCRF level of your learning. The NCRF uses a hierarchical system of levels to organize learning. Level 1 to 4, primary and secondary education. Level 4.5 to 8, higher education, from diplomas to doctoral studies. Vocational education, spanning levels 1 to 8, integrating seamlessly with academic pathways. This system ensures vertical and horizontal mobility, allowing students to switch between streams while maintaining credit validity. The NCRF isn't just about traditional education. It recognizes work experience, gain credits for on-the-job skills. Special events, hackathons, Olympiads, and more contribute to your credit score. Vocational and extracurricular activities, from internships to online learning, every experience counts. This focus on lifelong learning ensures that education is not just a phase, it's a continuous journey. Here's why the NCRF is a game changer. Improved employability. Students graduate with a mix of academic knowledge and practical skills. Increased access to education. Flexible pathways make education more inclusive. National vision. The framework fosters respect for constitutional values and builds a sense of pride in India's cultural and intellectual heritage. It's not just about earning degrees, it's about creating well-rounded, skilled individuals who are ready for the future. The NCRF will be implemented through collaboration among regulatory bodies like UGC, AICTE, and CBSE, and managed digitally via Academic Bank of Credits. The National Credit Framework is more than just a policy. It's a vision to make education flexible, accessible, and relevant. By valuing every form of learning and creating a seamless system for credit transfer, the NCRF is paving the way for a truly inclusive and learner-driven education system in India. What do you think about the NCRF? How will it impact students and institutions? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into education reforms and innovations.